magical adventure. A is for amazing ants marching in a line. B is for a brilliant butterfly, so fine. Come and sing the ABCs. Climb up high into the trees. Come and sing the ABCs. Learning them is fun and easy. A for apple, red and round. B for ball, bounces on the ground. C for cat, soft and small. D for dog, here's your call. E for elephant, big and gray. F for fish, swims away. G for grapes, green and sweet. H for hippo, big and neat. I for igloo, chill and white. J for jungle, full of light. K for kangaroo, jumping high. L for lemon, a tart surprise. M for mountain, reaching steep. N for night, while we sleep. O for ocean, vast and blue. P for puppy, waiting for you. Q for queen with a sparkling crown. R for rabbit, hopping through town. S for sun, shining so bright. T for tiger, playing in light. U for umbrella, keeping us dry. V for van, under the sky. W for whale, big in the blue. X for x-ray, looking at you. Y for yellow, bright like the sun. Z for zebra, having so much fun. We finished our ABCs one by one. Learning together is always fun. We finished our ABCs one by one. Learning together